my name's Raymond Keener. Hello, my name's Raymond Keener. I'm from East Texas. This is my first trip to Africa.
Okay, when you're ready. Alright, day one today. We've got Mr. Raymond Keener in camp this week. Raymond, welcome, sir.
Yes, sir, thank you.
And what's happening this week? What are we chasing?
Buffalo is the main target, and I've got several more plains game. Zebra, Impala, blue wildebeest, warthog, blessed buck. I think there's one more, but I can't remember right now.
But anyway, I think we're going to be in for a hell of a good time. Great to
forward
have you
to it.
here, and
Yes,
good
sir.
luck, sir.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Got him.
Well, like a good hit too, I think.
Yeah.
What we got tonight is a sable backstrap that has been, we call it sable snitchels. So it's like a braided backstrap. It's in a butter, made in a butter. So you dish it up and you take a squeeze of lemon like fish, put a little bit of lemon on top, and then you've got mash and gravy. And this is a it's our own recipe, green beans, very nice. It's got some bacon and green beans stuck in there. Then there's pumpkin fritters. Got a green salad, and then for dessert, that's a traditional South African from the old days recipe. It's called a malva pudding. So you dish that out, and you put your custard on top.
Oh no. Start off with, my whole goal in life as far as hunting was to take the Cape buffalo, the Black Death of the Black Continent. That was a 9-year-old's dream coming true at 49, and here at Ranchero, they made that happen. The buffalo was a little unexpected. He actually came to camp looking for me. We tracked him, found him in the thickest brush, got him at 15 yards thereabouts.
Anyway. Okay, reload again. Another one. Okay, wait. Here we go. Okay, left. Come with
Jesus Christ! That was the most disheartening thing, was hear that click.
Okay, so this week we had Mr. Raymond Keener in camp with us, and the main priority for the hunt was a buffalo. So after the first couple of days looking for tracks, trying to figure out where the buffalo is, one of the trackers actually spot a buffalo drinking water very close to camp here in the midday, which is quite unusual for a buffalo to come out during the middle of the day and drink water. So we walked out of camp and actually started tracking it, and it wasn't a very long walk, maybe 30-40 minutes, and we bumped into the buffalo at about 15 yards and opened up the sticks. Raymond got in a steady position and just made a perfect shot, frontal shot, gave him a really good shot, and as the buffalo took off, a couple of more shots just for insurance, and yeah, the buffalo didn't go 40 yards, dropped down, and yeah, a great end to a very, very exciting hunt. Like, nothing comes close to hunting Cape buffalo, especially in the thickets. So yeah, just a great result at the end of the day.
Wait.
Shoot again.
done, sir.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Yeah, that one that's broadside now.
On the right?
Yeah. That's a nice one.
I feel like I hit it.
He dropped right there.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Now the Impala was the hard one. It took several days for us to close the gap on the nice Impala. But it was all well worth it. Not an easy hunt, but not overly hard. I'd recommend this 10 out of 10 times for as a hunting experience. The accommodations were fantastic. The food was 5-star. I've ate places that couldn't compare to this and paid a whole lot more for a dinner. The camp staff takes care of your laundry every day. Your tent or your sleeping quarters is clean to perfection every day. By the time you come back from the evening hunt, your clothes are waiting, fresh, dried and cleaned, and looks great. And then you get to sit by the campfire and enjoy a nice drink and a cigar, and then have great company. There's just you just can't say enough about this place. I'd recommend it. In fact, I've already started gathering people for a hunt in 2 years to come back, just because it's so worth it. Such a gorgeous place. Nothing is left undone for you. Matter of fact, they'll kind of go over and above to make sure that you're extremely happy and no questions are asked. And any question you have, they are happy to answer it for you. So there's not a whole lot else I can tell you, but if you have a dream of making a hunt to Africa, that this will be the place that I would recommend. Absolutely, hands down. Everything was just picture perfect the way I dreamed of it.
Yeah, and besides the buffalo, we had a good week out here in the Limpopo. Raymond harvested some beautiful trophies. We started off with a zebra that we were actually driving, saw the zebra in the road, pulled off, made a stalk back, and once again, just a perfect shot. The zebra went on a death run and didn't go far at all. And besides that, we had found the wildebeest in the riverbed. Once again, the wildebeest proved why they are called the poor man's buffalo. They can just eat lead up, but once again, great shooting from Raymond. We got a nice golden wildebeest. The most challenging for this whole week was the Impala for some reason. We made probably 20 different stalks on Impala before we eventually could succeed in getting a nice ram down, but they were very challenging, and that just proves that nothing over here just comes easy. You have to be willing to put in the work, and if you are willing to do that and you work hard, you will get great results at the end of the day.
This was by far one of the best vacations and hunting trips I've ever had, and Ranchero Safaris making dreams come true.
Olive Productions. Your hunt, your story, your legacy.